Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. Myself Pooja Chakraborty and you watching me on UPSC with Pooja. So today we will talk about the complete 1 year strategy and weekly targets for UPSC CSE 2021. This video is the part 4 video, that means the last 4 months mains preparations after prelims and before mains. So before starting, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out any of my new video. And if you feel that this video is beneficial to you, please like, comment and share this video with your friends so that everyone can get benefit from this video. And if you want any study material or any updates, you can join my Telegram channel UPSC with Pooja. I will put the link in my description below. So let's get started. So first we will talk about the part 4 video, how to prepare UPSC CSE mains. This is the phase 6 of UPSC CSE 2021 video, after prelims before mains 4-month exclusive mains preparation. This video is also beneficial for complete 2-year study plan and weekly targets for UPSC CSE 2022. This video will consist of the part 2 video of phase 8. So those who are watching the complete 2-year strategy and weekly targets for UPSC CSE 2022, please refer this video because the phase 8 of UPSC CSE 2022 and the phase 6 of the UPSC CSE 2021 will be the same. So this video will be the overlapping video. That means if you watch this video, you will get benefit for the 2 years. So let's get started. So weekly targets of last 4 months before mains, that means the exclusive mains preparation. So now we will talk about the weekly targets. Week number 1, here you have to cover the subject, that means the GS paper 1, world history, social issue, optional revision, current affairs revision and mock test on this subject. So in this phase you have to revise all of your notes, that means in the phase week 1, world history and social issue from GS paper 1, optional paper revision and current affairs along with it, and you have to give mock test on this subject. Then week 2, GS paper 1 modern history plus art and culture revision and optional revision and current affairs and mock test. So week 2 is also consist of the GS paper 1, that is from modern history and art and culture. In this phase your all subject notes should be ready so that you can revise all the things in 1 week. Then week number 3, GS paper 1, geography and post-independence India along with current affairs and optional and also the mock test. You have to give at least 1 to 2 mock tests on every Sunday for the mains preparation also. And if you are reading geography and post-independence India, you have to give mock test on these subjects so that you can utilize the study in your mock test. And you can supplement it with the explanations which will be given after giving the mock test. Then week 4, GS paper 2, polity and international relation revision plus essay writing plus current affairs and GS paper mock test. So here current affairs is overlapping in every week and you have to change the GS paper 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. And the optional is also integrated in your everyday routine and the mock test. Then week number 5, GS paper 2, polity and governance plus current affairs and essay writing and optional mock test. So in this phase you have to give the optional mock test also. For that you have to revise optional notes and along with it you have to give the optional mock test. Then week number 6, GS paper 2 polity, current affairs and English and regional language writing practice for the compulsory pages papers and the optional mock test. So you have to practice also the English and the regional languages answer writing. Then week number 7, GS paper 3 economy and science and technology, current affairs optional and GS mock test. So here you have to more focused on the science and technology current affairs, right? So the questions are not come from the static science and tech, rather than questions are come from the science and technology current affairs. So your focus should be on the current science and tech. Then week number 8, GS paper 3 environment and disaster management and internal security along with current affairs and optional mock test. So here you have to revise the optional notes and along with it you have to give the mock test of GS and optional. Then week number 9, GS paper 3 economy, environment and current affairs, optional, essay writing, mains mock test. So in this phase you have to revise the economy notes, then the environment notes and current affairs, and optional, and given the essay writing or the essay mock test and the mains GS mock test. Then week number 10, GS paper 4, ethics, integrity and aptitude revision plus current affairs and writing mains mock test. So you have to give the mains mock test on the GS paper 4. At this phase you have to give the GS paper 4 mock test. I am recommending you, when you are reading GS paper 1, give the GS paper 1 mock test. When you are reading GS paper 2, give GS paper 2 mock test, so that you can understand the how is your preparation going on and how is the where are you stand now. So you have to give the all India GS mains mock test, so that you can compare yourself with the other candidates. So in week 11, GS paper 4, the static, that means the ethics, integrity and aptitude static portion plus current affairs, which is related to the ethics paper, then the mock test and optional mock test plus GS mock test. So in the last 5 to 6 weeks you have to give a lot of mock test, and you have to revise the explanations are very fruitful, because the explanations which will given you, this is the best way to revise your notes, because you will get the some important tips or important notes in the explanation also, which you cannot get in the books. So your explanation should be revised thoroughly. Then week number 12, total current affairs notes revision plus mains mock test on current affairs. So in this week, in the 7 days, you have to revise the last 12 months current affairs properly and the mains mock test on current affairs. So you have to give the mains mock test on current affairs. Then week number 13, total revision and giving mock test on optional. So in the week 13, you have to give the optional paper revision and the giving mock test on optional paper. Then week 14, total GS 1 and 2 revision plus giving mock test and English and regional language writing. So in the GS paper 1 and 2, in the week 14, you have to give the GS paper 1 and 2 revision, giving mock test on GS paper 1 and 2, and writing practice of English and regional language writing. Then week 15, total GS 3 and 4 revision plus mock test plus essay writing. In the week 15, you have to give GS paper 3 and 4 total revision and the mock test related to GS paper 3 and 4 and the essay writing. Then week number 16, only revision of your notes, that means the especially the most important subjects, that means the modern history, geography, polity, economy, environment, ethics, optional paper, and explanation of mains mock test along with current affairs notes. So in the last 7 days you have to revise the most important subjects which are very important for the mains preparation. So in the last phase you have to revise all the notes. Don't write the mains mock test in the last week. You have to just revise the notes, and you have to revise the explanation of your mains mock test. Then the daily routine should be consist of your morning session should be current affairs for 2 hours, mains mock test of GS 3 hours, and in the afternoon session GS subject 1 revision, any one GF subject revision 2 hours and optional revision 2 hours. In the evening session essay mock test at least 1.5 hours, that means you have to write one essay, and then optional mock test 3 hours. So your everyday routine should be look like this. You can change it for 3 days or 2 days, but your routine should be frequently like this. So now you have one alternative way also. You can give the mock test on 9 AM to 12 PM and 2 PM to 5 PM to habituate your brain to give exam on this time, because as your mains exam will be held on the 9 AM to 12 PM and 2 PM to 5 PM, you can also give the mock test on this time, so that your brain can habituate to give exams on these times, and your brain will active in this time also. And the revision in the evening hours, that means 6 hours GS, optional, current affairs, essay and explanation of mock test. So you can give morning 6 hours for your mains mock test and the evening 6 hours for the revision of your subject, so that you can habituate it with the exam also. So that's it for today. In this video we have discussed the exclusive mains preparation weekly targets. You can use this video for 2020, 2021 and 2022, any of the year. So this is the exclusive mains preparation. You can utilize this as when your mains exam will be on. So here I am not giving you the date exactly, and I just give the week number 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. because as per your exam date you can schedule it as your date. Exam dates you can give the date also. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.